Frank with Stonelink Property Management. We're here at 38 Tyndall Avenue, Unit 2, Providence, Rhode Island. It's a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 1-office apartment for rent. Starting our video tour right when you walk in, 2nd floor. To my left, you got a bonus room here. Could be used as a sunroom or an office. New flooring, fresh lighting, big windows for plenty of natural light. We make our way into the living room area here, facing the front of the house. Ceiling fans above. You do have some furniture in this apartment. It can either stay or it can go. Renter's choice. Off the living room, you got bedroom number 1 here. This one's big enough for a queen set. Lots of natural light coming into that one with the windows. Make our way down the hallway. To my right, bedroom number 2. Big enough for a queen set, possibly a king. On the left here, you got a bathroom with a shower, no tub, vanity. Across the hall here, you got bedroom number 3. Big enough for a queen, possibly a king set. We got bedroom number 4. Also big enough for a queen or a king set. Across the hall, we got the bathroom here. Gorgeous double sink. Shower tub. We'll make our way into the kitchen area here. You got your back entrance. Stainless steel refrigerator. State-of-the-art gas stove, built-in microwave, dishwasher, double sink, plenty of cabinet and countertop space. Again, kitchen table can stay or go. Then off the kitchen, you do have your private back porch. I'd like to apply for 38 Tyndall Avenue, Providence, Rhode Island. Click that Apply Now button at the bottom of your screen. Each adult want to fill out the application. It's Frank with Stonelink Property Management. Thank you and have a great day.